Hey everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry. Thanks for joining me today on my Fluid Art channel. We're going to do a patch swipe, and I'm going to be using a lot of fun colors that are YMCA logo colors, but they end up being like rainbow colors. So we're going to get started right away. Let's go. So the first thing that I did is I made sure that I leveled this 36 by 36 canvas, and then I took my base paint and I painted the entire canvas, including the top and all of the sides, before I even got started. And then I poured the paint on a little thicker over the top of the canvas, and then I'm going to start layering the colors. There's 5 colored YMCA logos, and in each logo there is 6 colors, and with 2 different color palettes. So for example, I have a teal color palette with an orange color palette. Then there's a blue color palette with a pink and purple color palette, blue color palette with green, orange with red, and red with purple. So those are the 5 different logo colors that I'm going to be using on this, and I'm going to layer them though in 3 colors using my cell activator, and that's just white, and I use that as a part of my process as well. So I layer my colors. I put my white cell activator on the top. I use a plastic sheet that I actually took a piece of paper and I laminated it, and then I cut it out to make different sizes, and I use that to spread the cell activator across the different colors. And that's all I did. And so I'm just going to allow you to watch me do this in a faster speed. I'm going to show you slow a few times, but then faster, and then the end results at the end. But before I let you do that, I want to explain what I did. So I did the center, and I did the purple blue, the blue green, the green yellow, the yellow red, and I should say yellow is also including orange, and then the red, purple, and then the purple blue. So you can kind of see that, and then I put my cell activator over it, and I'm swiping it with different sizes of those pieces of plastic. Then I start layering on top of this, and when I start to layer on top of this, I'm going to use all 6 of the colors of the Y logo. So the 6 colors would be the purples and the blues, the reds and the purples, the oranges and the reds, just like I kind of talked through already. So anyway, that's what I wanted to tell you, as well as I started in the center, and then I started creating different areas that kind of made this patchwork. And there's the end results. It is so pretty. I love it. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. Bye! Bye!